Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey.
Ako po si Jiro Ambo, anak ng birthday celebrant. Mother, happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo, kalusugan. Sana matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Sana mas mahaba pa ang buhay natin.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending.
Happy birthday, Ada!
You may have a good health and good future and many more birthdays to come.
It's a brand new day. It's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Happy birthday, President! God bless!
Happy birthday, Mari!
Enjoy, Mare!
Happy birthday, Pres Ada! God bless and good health! Love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah!
Every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got it.
I wish na sana lagi kang malusog, lagi kang healthy, and thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin. Si ate ko, just like my second mother. So yung pangalawang nanay ko dito. Thank you ate sa lahat-lahat.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight.
Hallo mein Sonnenschein, ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag, Glück, Gesundheit und ein langes Leben und viel Nervenkraft für den Tag heute, für den Tag morgen und für den Rest von deinem Leben. Alles Gute.
Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, forever young? Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or
Si
not?
Mother, maigpit, masungit. Pero tinuruan niya akong maging independent at tumayo sa sarili kong paa. Thank you sa pag-aalaga, na lagi kang nandyan kapag kailangan at sa pagmamahal. Happy birthday, Mother. Love you.
Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to
Happy
be
birthday, Adu!
Happy birthday, Ada! Wish you best
Wishes
wishes.
po. And good luck every moments of your life and happy birthday again.
Love you.
Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I
kahit mahirap ang buhay namin, ay nagtrabaho siya mag-isa para mapalaki ako at palagi siya nandyan para makatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Dito naman tayo para sumukli ng pagmamahal. Happy birthday, Mother! Love you!